Hello, my name is Derek Bevan again, back for number 4 in this video series of new technologies that you can use in your classroom. Um, this one's going to play off a little bit of the last one I did in video number 3 of Spiral. It's kind of similar, but I like it in different ways because it'd be another way to get kids engaged and not just sticking with the way Spiral does it, but a little bit more. I view this one as a little bit more fun, maybe a little bit more colors, a little bit more engaging. So this is selected because, in my school district, we're constantly trying to find ways to increase student engagement in the classroom and get everyone really involved. And so this would be a way that I think I could approach this and get it taken care of. The ISTE standards for educational leadership would be, again, 3D. It's just a perfect one for this video series. This video would be intended for the teachers. Again, we're sticking with that same theme of I'm here for you to help yourself, help your students, and everyone, just help everyone. So, Mentimeter is the one we're looking at today. You pull it up and it says let's start creating. We hope these ready-to-use presentations will suit you. So they have some pre-made ones. They have some start from scratch. For the sake of time, we're just going to look at the pre-made ones. See, there's work and education. Obviously, we're going to look at education, and oh, look at that, engagement. We click on that, and there's some, different templates here. I'm going to do the icebreakers. All right, we're going to start with this. Click on it and let it load. Let it think. Here we go. All right, so what do you think of when you hear the word holiday? Again, students are going to go to www.menti.com. I actually first heard about this through an in-service. An instructional coach was having us do this. So I'm pulling it up on my phone right now. 58772369 is the code. I submit. It says no active questions. So you could add slides. You could change the themes, but we're going to click present. And I'm going to refresh it on my phone. And what do you think of when you hear the word holiday? I'll type in some answers. Family, friends, food. I don't know, probably snow. Thinking of Christmas time. And I'm just going to put those in. I'm going to click submit. And it says, thank you for your participation. And it pops up the words I typed in. Obviously, if you have a classroom full of kids, whatever they type is going to pop up. And it's going to show. And that is awesome. They're engaged. It's also, again, like I mentioned in video number 3, we've got to be careful. Because, again, whatever the kids type up, it shows up on here. The one thing I'm a little hesitant about on Menti is I have not figured out how to tell who types what, so the kids could get pretty ornery with that and maybe get themselves into trouble. But that is Mentimeter. It's getting engagement up, and really cool different colors that pops up. Words become, if words are typed in more than once, that word becomes bigger, and so it's a really cool way to display some questions. You can do some classroom review. You could do some, we just read this article, what were the key things, so on and so forth. So thank you for listening to, or watching video number 4. Stay tuned for video number 5, and it should be a good one.